Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my March Ipsy bag. I have not opened this at all. I don't remember what I requested. I will probably remember when I open it. Yeah, my short-term memory is kind of short. I don't always remember. Alright, let's get this open. Oh, okay. Something, oh wow. Something out of the bag. I recycle these. There we go. This is what I actually requested. What's outside my bag. Here's the bag for March. I like it. I like it. Not bad. I like these beads on it. I think it's really pretty. You know, they do have nice bags. Okay, let's get started. What wasn't in my bag is the item I did request because I'm getting low on my setting sprays. This is Beauty Creations Coconut Mango Setting Spray. Look how big that is. I've been using a smaller Marc Jacobs. Look at the difference. I'm pretty pleased. Oh, and it smells so tropical. Perfect. Perfect. I am just about out of that Marc Jacobs. It was in a project pan, but I did away with all project pans. I stopped project panning. But I do just have a little tiny bit left. So this I will start using next. It smells good. It smells good. Okay, let's see what's in my bag. My actual bag. Oh, it's stuffed. Okay. Alright. March. Rewrite the rules. Oh, there's a puffy mystery bag. I don't need it. More power to you. This does not have pricing in it. So, I don't see the need to keep that. So, let's see. I got some nice sizes in here. Okay. I got a, what does that say? It's shiny. Karma Beauty. Replenishing Truffle Leave-In Conditioner. So, this is a truffle leave-in conditioner. That sounded good to me. It absorbs deep into the roots, hair follicles, and scalp to help nourish, hydrate, and strengthen. So, you put it on the scalp and the roots. It's not so much the ends. Directions. After washing your hair while it is still damp, use a wide tooth comb to comb it through. Okay. So it goes all through your hair. But yeah, interesting. I'm not going to smell that right now. That's a nice size. Next, I got this Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. Look at the size of that. This is a nice size. It has evens out, exfoliate, and cleanse, plus AHA, plus vitamin C, and vanilla. I don't know if it's probably got a safety seal on it. Yeah, I can't smell it. I'll tell you about it in empties, but yeah, that's a pretty good size. I'm not going to put these two. I don't think I'm going to put in samples. I think I'm just going to set them aside because they're pretty good sizes. Then I got this Dermafirm Soothing Repair Toning Serum. Just 2 weeks, remarkable results. And it's coming apart. So it's this little tube. I'm going to put this back in here. And close it back up. And I am going to put this in the samples. Exceptionally calming solution for a visibly clear complexion. Okay. Relieves redness, helps tighten pore area, reduces blemishes and spots. Okay, so I'll add that to my samples. And then last, I have another full-size item. This is an eyeliner. Pinky Bee Beauty Dat Gel Eyeliner, though. Beach. I guess beach is the color. I'm going to take the wrapper off. Yeah, I guess beach is the color. Dat, D-A-T, Dat Gel eyeliner, though. T-H-O. Yeah. I'm going to mark it on my hand. It's very smooth. That's a pretty color. Pretty blue. Okay. So, let's recap what's in my bag. I got a full-size eyeliner. A nice size face spray. A nice size cleanser. A nice size leave-in conditioner. And this Dermafirm Soothing Repairing Toning Serum. That's a nice bag. Not bag. I think these bags are, what, like $15, $16? I don't remember. I don't even have a link down below for them. I figure you've probably got Ipsy by now. So anyway, yeah. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. Leave in the comments below and let me know what you got in your bag, if you get the Ipsy bag. And guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.